So yeah, I'm coding Geometry Dash, but I only have 3 days. Wait, isn't this my second ever Unity project? How do I expect to create such an advanced game in such a limited time span? I mean, my last game was legit a moving cube. Like, it's so bad. So, it's currently 10 in the night, let's get started. I opened a new Unity project named Geometry Dash, and immediately started working. By that, I mean, I am so dumb that I had no clue on what I was doing. For those of you who don't know what Geometry Dash is, it's basically just a cool cube that jumps and dodges obstacles trying to reach an end of a level. Need I say more? Anyways, back to the project. Eventually I figured out the basic mechanics like jumping and moving the camera, but the square is looking kinda boring, so that's a nice looking square design you got there. Our nice looking square design. Also, one of the main aspects of Geometry Dash is how the player rotates when you jump. And I use some sort of Euler-Quaternion clasping system. It works, okay, shut up. Also, if you hate geometry like me, comment down below and also subscribe. Yeah, that somehow took Monday up, probably because I am stupid and I have a life. Okay, maybe not that, but yeah, I'm gonna go hit the set and start again tomorrow. Big day today, I only have 48 hours left, and by that, it's more like 10 hours of working time, so I need to hurry up. Now, I needed some spikes to make this game spike-tacular, so I borrowed a spike image from Google and immediately started programming the collision detection. I used a built-in function on trigger, but it just kept sending errors, and I spent 2 freaking hours on this stupid code, when eventually I found the bug. Bruh. Also, the game needed music, so I decided to just use the Stereo Madness soundtracks. Just bring back so much memories. I made a spike prefab with the collision script, started building the map. I wasn't too sure how the Stereo Madness map looked like, so I went off my brain, which led to some questionable designs. WTF? Is it just me, or is that cube looking kinda thick? After an hour or so, I built the map up to the flying portal I envisioned, and it's actually playable. However, for the flying aspect of the game, I was so freaking confused, and I decided to use tutorials for the first time.
Interacting with our movement scripts to...
So that went great. I have no idea what they were saying, and none of the tutorials worked. So I tried to write some of it myself, and I legit made the flying in like 10 lines. Take that, tutorials. Call me stupid, but I guess I'm actually kinda smart sometimes. For my ship, I basically just got my cube and put ship PNG over it, and bam, done. The game is looking way better than I anticipated, but it's 10 PM though, so I saved the project and went back to bed. Okay, 24 hours left, and it's looking like a finished game, right? Wrong. So I have a win system to add, something to restart the game when you die, like 10 other bugs to fix. Anyways, because I was kinda low on time, the win system is kinda just, yeah. I wanted to make main menu, but I realized I had no idea how to do that, and that would just take way too long. I just used a scene manager to restart the scene every time you died. Also, as a last touch-up, I added coins for the real gamers out there. Now it's 7 PM and I had an attempts counter on the top left of the screen, but I just felt it looked awkward, so I deleted it. With an hour left before 10 PM, aka 1 hour left, I uploaded the game onto ish.io and gave it a quick description. Be warned that this is my second ever Unity game, so it kinda sucks most of the time, at least in my opinion. If you would like to play the game for yourself, in the description, and also if you like the video, just subscribe and like the video. It helps out a lot, and yeah, gonna go sleep now. I am literally sleep deprived. The game sucks, but yeah, play it.